In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure synthetic monitoring in Datadog. We'll walk through the core places in Datadog where you confirm your synthetic signals are flowing, how incidents surface, and how you keep alerts clean and actionable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to navigate to review triggered alerts, manage maintenance windows, and evaluate overall quality so your synthetic monitoring reflects real user experience without noisy false alarms. Start by signing in to your Datadog account. Once you're in, take a second to confirm you're in the correct organization and region, and that your browser profile has the permissions you need to view monitors. A quick readiness check here saves time later, especially if you work across multiple environments like staging and production. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and open monitoring. This section brings together your monitors, downtimes, and related health views in one place, which is exactly where synthetic test outcomes roll up when they trigger alerts. Think of it as the control room for how your synthetic tests translate into notifications and incident visibility for your team. Within monitoring, switch to the list view and focus on triggered. This narrows the view to alerts that are currently firing or have recently fired, which is the fastest way to validate whether your synthetic checks are working as intended. If you manage many monitors, use consistent naming and tags so you can quickly zero in on synthetic-related items. As you scan triggered entries, check that the alert text and priority make sense, and that the monitors are scoped to the right services and environments. Clear, well-scoped alerts reduce noise and help responders act faster. Move over to downtimes. This is where you schedule maintenance windows to pause alerts when you know there will be disruption, like during deployments or infrastructure changes. Review any active or upcoming downtimes to ensure they cover the right services, teams, tags, and time ranges. Keep scopes as specific as possible to avoid muting unrelated signals, and double-check recurrence rules so recurring maintenance doesn't accidentally silence critical coverage. Finally, open quality. Use this view to assess the overall health and reliability of your monitoring signals. Look for patterns like frequent flapping, unexpected spikes in alert volume, or tests that fail from only one location. These are clues that thresholds, test locations, or retry logic may need refinement. Document what you observe so you can iterate thoughtfully and improve signal to noise without sacrificing detection. That's it. You've navigated the key areas to confirm, govern, and refine how your synthetic monitoring behaves in Datadog. Monitoring, triggered alerts, downtimes, and quality. With these checkpoints, your team can keep alerts meaningful and your coverage dependable.